Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Hi, children. I hope everyone has seeing the videos. Yes, again you started to write the notes. Yes, yes. Now see here what we have learned yesterday. We have completed our grammar and vocabulary part. Yes, children. What is there in the vocabulary part? See your workbooks. I already explained you, no? Have you didn't? Then that means you have not seen your workbooks and not listened the classes. Listen your video class, children. See and write the notes. Concentrate on your studies. Okay. Now see here. What is the vocabulary part, children? Antonyms. What are the antonyms? The opposite words. Yes, children. We have learnt about that. And the grammar part. What we have learnt in the grammar part? Adjectives. What are the adjectives, children? Yes, adjectives means describing words. Means we are describing a person or a thing. That word is called as an adjective. Means like beautiful, tall, short, like these words are adjectives. Yes. And in the types, in that we have learned different types of adjective. Yes, children. What are the different types of adjective? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. Here quality means what it tells, what kind it is. Yes, children. And coming to the quantity, in quantity what it tells how much it is. Yes. And coming to the number, it tells the position. What it tells, children? The position. Here what we have learned? Antonyms we have learned. Adjectives. In adjectives, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of numbers. We have learned yesterday. Yes, children? I hope everyone are understanding the classes. Yes? Yes. Now see, now we are going to learn about the formal writing. What is the formal writing today? Yes, what it is, children? Explanatory writing. What it is, children? Explanatory writing. Explanatory writing means what? Explanation. You should write explaining. You should write like explaining the words and the sentence. What you are writing about, you should write it explanation. See here, explanatory writing. Write a paragraph that explains how to make a cup of tea. Use the pictures given below as hints. Already I know that everyone knows how to make a tea. Yes, children? When you're all at home only, no, nowadays. Yes. Then every time you will be with your mother only. Yes. Whatever your mother is doing, you will be observing that. You will be seeing that. I hope some children have learned some little cooking also. Small things you can cook, no? Yes, children. I hope that everyone is helping your mothers in the house. Yes? Yes. I know everyone knows how to prepare a tea. Because you are seeing your mother how she is preparing the tea for your father. Yes, children. See here. They have given some hints here. Pour water, add tea leaves, pour milk and sugar, stir and strain. Now here, you should write a paragraph by explaining, by using these hints, children. By using these hints, you should write a paragraph, means explaining how you can prepare a tea. Yes, children. Now just I will tell. First they have given pour a water. Before pouring a water, what you should do? You should take a pan first. Okay. And what you will do? You will put it on the stove. And you should light it. No, first of all, lit the stove. Then what happens? The fire comes and you will put the pan, or you can tell as a saucepan you can use for that. Saucepan. And what you will do first? Pour a water in that. When water comes to boiling stage, add tea leaves. After the tea leaves also boiled, then pour milk and sugar. Then mix it. You will mix it, no? Yes. After mixing it, what happens? The boiling stage it comes. For 1 minute or 3 minutes you boil it. After pouring milk and sugar, when we are stirring it, stir means mixing. Okay, children? And it will be boiling, no? Then after 3 minutes, you stop the stove and take out the saucepan, and what you will do? Strain it. You know the tea strainer? In that you pour it and you can strain it. Then what happens? The tea is ready to drink. Yes, children. See, like this you should, by seeing the hints, you should write a paragraph. Okay, children, you can add so many points also. Starting. First, tea is a modern day hot drink. Yes, children. Nowadays, so many people are telling to drink the hot things because of corona. Yes. So many people, what they did, they have made a habit of drinking tea. Yes, children. So now what it is, now what you will do, first pour a water in the bowl. You can tell as a saucepan or a bowl, where you will put it on the stove and lit it. Okay, children. After that, what happened? The stove will start burning, no? Then the pan is kept on the stove. What you will do next? You should pour the water. Then water comes to the boiling stage. Then add tea leaves. After tea leaves are also boiled, then add sugar and milk, stir it and let it wait for 3 minutes to boil it properly. After that, stir it and drink. Ready to drink. Yes, children. Now you should write a paragraph like this. Okay, children. I will make you to write. Okay. Now, this is about your formal writing. Understood, children? How to write this? You should, seeing these hints, you should write a paragraph. Understood? Everyone are ready to write? You will write your own or I should make you to write? I hope everyone will write yours. Okay, children? Okay. Now, this is about your formal writing. Yes, children. Now coming to the creative writing. What is the creative? Very easy, no? Formal writing. And here, the creative writing is also very, very easy. What is that, children? Creative writing. Here also is there dialogue writing. Dialogues. So many dialogues will be there. Yes? Yes, children, dialogue writing. The conversation between two people. The words which they are talking, that are called as dialogues. So many films you will be seeing, no? The Balakrishna dialogues will be very this thick. Yes? Like that, the dialogues in the cinema, how the dialogues are there. Like in our real life also, what we are talking, that are also dialogues only. Yes, children. Now, between two persons, a conversation is going on. What the conversation will be? See here, they have given some dialogues here. Between Karim and Sanjana. Between whom, children? Karim and Sanjana are talking here. Karim and Sanjana. Karim and Sanjana are talking here. Now, coming to the Karim and Sanjana, what they have started, see. Karim, hi Sanjana, how? They have given dash. Now you can ask here, hi Sanjana, how are you also you can ask. How you have been also you can ask. Yes, children. How have you been? How you have been? How are you? Yes, children. Like this. Next, Sanjana, hello, I am fine. Karim, how are you? Yes, children. Here, Sanjana is asking, dash they have given Karim, how are you? Here I am adding a word here, Sanjana. Sanjana is telling that, hello, I am fine. Karim, how are you? Karim said, I am fine as well. What are you doing? Sanjana, I am making paper shapes. It is a lot of fun. It is also very easy. You should try it too. Here Sanjana's talk. They have given, I am making paper shapes. It is dash. You should try it too. Now in the dash I am feeling like this. A lot of fun. It is also very easy. Paper shapes are very easy to prepare. No, so we are telling very easy to prepare. Next, Karim. I would dash. Do you know what the art of paper folding is called? Here Karim is asking, I would. Then but he have didn't finish the words. You should finish that words. Okay, children. See here, I am finishing here. I would love to. It looks interesting. And he is asking a question here. Do you know what the art of paper folding is called? Then Sanjana said, I do know what it is called. It is called as origami. What it is, children? Origami. Here paper folding art is called as origami. She said, I don't know. But what it is called? It is called origami. Means she knows that. It is called as origami. Karim said, great, let us make some newspaper figures together. Then Karim said, great, let us both together sit and prepare the paper figures together. He said that. Very easy, na children, this time. The formal writing and creative writing is very easy. Yes, what is the formal writing here? Explanatory. What is, children? Explanatory writing. Explanatory writing means what? They have given some hints for you. You should explain how to prepare that. Yes, children. And coming to the next one is what? Creative writing. Here the dialogues you should complete. Between the Karim and Sanjana, dialogues are there that you should complete it. Okay, children? While I will show you for this sample one. You can write your own also. Okay, children? Now, I want you to do something interesting. What you want to do? I will tell you what you should do. You should do the dialogue writing. Yes, children. What it is very interesting dialogue writing is between two persons. You assume you are in the home only, no? Then your brother and yours conversation, you write it out. How it will be there? Okay, children. Now you should write in which book, children? HW book. This is your homework. Understood, children? Now I will hope you all will write the dialogue conversation, dialogues between two persons. Okay. Exercise 4. Yes, children. I said you know how to prepare a tea. I will show you. See here first. What it is here? To make a cup of tea, pour some water into a saucepan and boil it. When the water starts to boil, add a teaspoon of tea powder or tea leaves. Then add some milk and sugar to taste. Stir the mixture well. Allow the tea to boil for about 3 minutes on a low flame. Finally, strain the tea and pour it into a cup. Now the tea is ready to be served. Excellent. See here once again. To make a cup of tea. To make a cup of tea. What you should do? First, pour some water into a saucepan and boil it. When the water starts to boil, add a teaspoon of tea powder or tea leaves. Then add some milk and sugar to taste. Stir the mixture well. Allow the tea to boil for about 3 minutes on a low flame. Finally, strain the tea and pour it into a cup. Now the tea is ready to be served. Here TO2 BEB, to be served. Understood, children? Once again, shall I read? See here. To make a cup of tea, first pour some water into saucepan and boil it. When the water starts to boil, add a teaspoon of tea powder or tea leaves. Then add some milk and sugar to taste. Stir the mixture well. Allow the tea to boil for about 3 minutes on a low flame. Finally, strain the tea and pour it into a cup. Now, the tea is ready to be served. Understood, children? Like this you can write. You can write your own sentence also. See here, children? Exercise 4. Conversation, I said no. Hi, Sanjana. How have you been? Sanjana. Hello, I am fine. Karim. How are you? Karim said, I am fine as well. What are you doing? See here. Sanjana. I am making paper shapes. It is a lot of fun. It is also very easy. You should try it too. Then Karim said, I would love to. It surely looks interesting. Do you know what the art of paper folding is called? Next, Sanjana said, I do know what it is called. It is a Japanese word. It is called origami. Origami. Karim, great. Let us make some new paper figures together. Yes, children. The conversation is very easy. No, you can also write. See here, once again I am showing you. Hi, Sanjana. How have you been? Sanjana. Hello, I am fine. Karim, how are you? Then Karim says, I am fine as well. What are you doing? Then coming to the Sanjana. I am making paper shapes. It is a lot of fun. It is also very easy. You should try it too. Then Karim said, I would love to. It surely looks interesting. Do you know what the art of paper folding is called? Then Sanjana says, yes, I know that is. I do know what it is called. It is a Japanese word. It is called origami. It is called origami. Then Karim says what he says. Great, let us make some new paper figures together. Excellent. Then you complete your exercise 3 and 4. 4 and 5. Understood, children? Exercise 4, 5 complete it. Okay.